Wish Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Wish and related tools are in the description. In this review, we'll cover the features, strengths, and weaknesses of Wish and help you decide if it's the right platform for your dropshipping business. Wish is an e-commerce platform that connects sellers with buyers primarily through its mobile app, focusing on offering low-priced products from global suppliers. For dropshippers, Wish can be a great platform to find unique products with low-cost sourcing while offering a global customer base. It's especially popular with businesses that want to take advantage of affordable products and low entry barriers. If you're just starting out in dropshipping and want to test the waters without much upfront investment, Wish can be a strong option. Wish's main feature is its easy-to-use marketplace, where you can list your products and tap into a large audience. The platform's low fees and low-cost inventory make it easy to source products without breaking the bank. Wish also offers advanced analytics and customer insights to help you track sales and optimize your marketing strategies. For dropshippers, it has a simple integration with Shopify and other platforms, making it easy to manage orders and fulfill them through suppliers. Wish Express provides faster shipping on select products, which can improve the customer experience and drive repeat business. Strengths. The biggest strength of Wish is its affordable product sourcing and low upfront costs, making it an excellent choice for new dropshippers. The platform also provides global reach, allowing you to sell to customers worldwide. Wish's user-friendly interface makes it easy to set up and start selling quickly, without needing extensive technical skills. Additionally, Wish's focus on affordable pricing can help you attract price-conscious buyers. Weaknesses. One of the downsides of Wish is that its product quality can vary significantly, and customers may sometimes experience delays in shipping, especially with international suppliers. Additionally, Wish has been criticized for its high competition, meaning that it may be challenging for dropshippers to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Another downside is limited control over branding. Since many products are from suppliers with generic packaging, it can be difficult to create a unique brand identity. Final verdict: Wish is a great option for dropshippers looking for low-cost international product sourcing and a platform with low barriers to entry. However, it may not be ideal for those seeking high-quality products, consistent shipping, or greater branding control. If you're okay with these trade-offs and want to start small, Wish can be a valuable tool to scale your dropshipping business. Check the links in the description to explore Wish and see if it fits your needs.